Hi guys, my name is Greg. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the RECnGO Studio interface. On the Studio interface you can do the whole video production. So you can add pictures, you can add videos, you can add extra camera sources, you can use in a hybrid way because RECnGO is cross-platform, so you can add Android and iOS devices together. Phones and tablets can be a studio and then extra devices. It depends on you, which one do you prefer to use. You can add a picture as a layer, you can edit it in real time, and of course you can use the audio mix panel to switch between the audio sources, not just the camera sources. Here there is a green icon that shows me I have a good internet connection. That means I can use the RECnGO as a studio device. I can add extra camera sources, I can go on live on Facebook, YouTube, any other platforms as you wish. So if this button is red, that means you don't have a good internet connection. So always be sure that you have internet connection. You can use Wi-Fi or shared 4G or 5G internet connection. There is a gear icon here. You can check the project settings. You can see everything together again. I'm using a horizontal mode. I'm using the medium quality, streaming disabled. That means I'm just only recording with the RECnGO, so not going on live. If you would like to do live stream and the recording at the same time, you can do it, but please choose the streaming target here. Let's go YouTube and enable the local recording. Okay, save the project. So what else you can do on this studio interface? I can see myself, this is my local camera source here, but I can easily switch between the front and the back cameras. So let's go back and let's go back here, and this is my front, so high. So you can turn on your flashlight, you can switch between the lenses here, and you can just change the white balance here. Let's go fixed, and you can zoom in and you can zoom out, but of course you can do it remotely as well. So how you can add an extra camera source? Let's use this iPhone 12 device. Let's go back here. So I have the RECnGO on this iPhone, and just open the RECnGO. I use the same Wi-Fi network, or of course you can use if you don't have an access to a Wi-Fi, you can use your shared 4G or 5G network, but be sure that your all devices on the same network. This is the RECnGO. I use the same Wi-Fi network here, and I use the same account that previously I logged in. So just click here, open RECnGO and use as a studio. Wait a sec, and here I just added my phone as an extra camera source. So hi guys. And of course you can do everything remotely here, so you can go switch between the lenses. So what else you can do? Here, this panel, the add source panel, you can add not just an extra camera sources, you can add pictures and the videos at the same time, of course. So here I just added a picture as a background. Here I added the presentation slide that I created previously, and I sent it directly to this device storage. Here is a video. So it's a super intro to do before, let's say, a soccer game stream. Let's go back. A picture can be a source, as I showed you previously, and the picture can be a layer, not just a source. Let me show you. So I just added the RECnGO logo here. I will show you how you can do it actually. Let's use this background, and you can show a products layer during your video production. And here, as you can see, you can add some logos, layers. You can do Facebook Live, YouTube Live, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok with a multi-camera angle, so it's super easy to use. But of course you can add a new layer here. Just use this button. You can add an image. Here's the RECnGO logo. You can add a background. You can change the color. Let's go green. You can add a text here. It's super easy to do it. You can change the sizes, 60. You can change the color again here. Let's go black. And of course you have many options to change. So let's go back again. Let's change this, and voila, my name is Greg. And you can rename this layer because it can be a good solution to do. Add layer, and voila, I have a new layer on the screen. And let's go back. So what else you can do on the studio interface? And here there's the audio mix panel. I have a studio device here and I have an extra camera source in my next room. I just switch between the local sources and I just mute the master microphone. This is my studio device. And if I just unmute the iPhone, that means I'm not switch between the camera sources, I just switch between the audio sources. So let's go here. This is my iPhone 1, this is the COM1, and I'm using the COM1's microphone. So you can easily switch between not just the camera sources, you can easily switch between the audio sources as well. I think it's super easy to do during your video production to create the best picture and then audio at the same time together.
Stay up to date with the latest streaming and videography solutions. Subscribe to us on YouTube and follow us on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. We also have a supportive community to give, get, grow and shape the future of streaming industry together. Join this community and enjoy all benefits.